IMAB stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onwards. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether this is really a buy or not for me. Look, I have been in the market for 5 years. I've done 40,000 videos, all documented, by the way. So I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically now with I Mab, well, because it was a supply zone, I was like, if I do see a double break, maybe it's going to be a sell side. But that's why I was even waiting for the confirmation in first place, because this is also what could happen. And we absolutely started going the opposite direction, which is solid. It's good. Now, no sweat now, you know, since this break, all I'm looking to do now is like potentially get involved on the long side. But the only way that I'll do certain things here is, let me just do that. Let's go through the 30 minute, let's go 15-minute chart. And only if I actually do see the price pulling a bit lower, then giving me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to be buying. Other than that, like randomly trying to force buys here, it's not going to be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and then get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.